You want to join them? Oh, that's my boy
There's something about early morning rides. When the road is empty, the air is still cool, and every turn feels like it's leading you somewhere new. Today, that road leads us to the hills of Udarahalli. But let me introduce you to my friends first. The one who never says no to an adventure, and another who thinks every hill is rideable. Let's get back to the story with these two.
Look at that. Look at that. Hey, look at this.
Just a few kilometers ahead, another bridge, even more beautiful than the first.
So we found this other bridge here, another one. So we want to check it out. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. Oh, it's scary. We are all just fascinated by what we are seeing. It's so beautiful. Oh, how turbulent. Oh, yeah. There's this majestic hill. Such a huge one. So beautiful. So there's a little bit of entering the village, and that's a silkworm. What is this? Shri Siddeshwara Bettakke Dari Udarahalli. Udarahalli. I don't think there's any trekking. We can walk. I mean, you can take our bikes up. Oh, look at this. So nice. Yeah, on this side.
Bettada Shri Siddeshwara Siddappaji temple sits quietly atop a small hill near Udarahalli, about 54 kilometers from Bangalore. The temple stands at an elevation of around 2800 feet, overlooking the villages below. It's said that the deity Lord Siddeshwara blesses those seeking clarity and balance in life. And just like that, it was time to ride back. But the day wasn't over yet. The road still had more to show. In the next part of the journey, we'll visit a place where wood turns into art and end the day with something sweet and unforgettable. Until then, keep the wheels turning, and I'll see you on the next ride.